What if you could apply a simple to make face mask overnight and then wake up in the morning with blemish-free skin? Well, if you have acne or acne-prone skin, I have a couple of face masks that you can make right at home that will calm and clear up your skin, so keep on watching. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. If you're new, I'm Chris Gibson, and this is Chris Gibson Live, where we help you look good, feel good, so you can live good. And you know, we all do this. We run out and buy the first over-the-counter product that we can get our hands on at the first sight of an acne blemish or breakout. But there are natural chemical-free masks out there that can give you the same or oftentimes even better results. So if you are ready for a couple of masks that can actually give you clear and glowing skin overnight, in some cases in 15 minutes, then hit that like button and let's dive right in. Okay, for this first mask, you're gonna need three of the simplest ingredients. You're gonna need some plain oatmeal, some coconut oil, and some warm water. That's it. Okay, to make this first face mask, it is so easy. You're gonna take 3 tablespoons of the oatmeal and put them into a mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup of very warm water, not boiling, very warm. And you're gonna take a hand mixer and you're gonna mix this up until it forms a paste, kind of a little sticky paste. To that, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix it very, very well. The next step is you're going to go wash your face with an oil-free cleanser. Hopefully you're using mine, but whatever you're using, an oil-free cleanser, and pat your skin dry, and you're gonna use my 5-minute rule, my 5-minute wait rule before you do anything to your skin after you wash it. After that 5 minutes has passed, you're gonna apply this mixture to your skin and let it sit there for 15 minutes. Now, this is not a mask for overnight. The next one I'm gonna go over is the overnight mask. But this mask is to sit on your skin for 15 minutes and it will do wonders for helping clear up your acne. Now, if you have a severe case of acne, you can add to this mask a couple of drops of tea tree oil. Won't hurt anything, actually makes it smell really nice. Same thing, 15 minutes on the skin. Then what you're going to do when the 15 minutes is up is you're gonna take your fingers and you're going to massage your face with the mask on very gently for 2 more minutes. And the reason you're doing this is the mask actually also acts as a scrub. So it's going to remove any dead skin cells, dirt, oil, sebum that blocks pores. That's all going to be removed in this process. Then you're going to wash your face off with warm water and pat dry. Say goodbye to acne and hello to clear skin. Now, this next mask is super easy as well, and it can be left on overnight. You're gonna need 3 things again. You're gonna need oatmeal, again, see a pattern here? You're gonna need whole milk, and you're gonna need honey. Oatmeal or oats are so beneficial to acne and acne-prone skin because they have such a great calming effect on this condition. And you've probably heard of people using oats and oatmeal to calm things down, like poison ivy and poison oak. And hives even, yes, it's really good. So Aveeno, the brand Aveeno, built an entire industry on oatmeal as a base for their products, so it does work. You're gonna use whole milk because there's lactic acid in whole milk, which is a AHA, a alpha hydroxy acid. And the alpha hydroxy acid is gonna help loosen dead skin cells that tend to get stuck on us folks that have a tendency for acne-prone skin or as we get older. So that's going to work overnight to help loosen and remove that skin. And then we add honey to keep the moisture balance in not just the mask so it doesn't dry out on your skin overnight, but also to really super hydrate your skin. It's an excellent, excellent product. And here's how you make it. You're gonna take 3 tablespoons again of oatmeal, and this time we're gonna put it in a blender or a food processor, and you'll see why in a minute. To that, we're gonna add the tablespoon of milk, and we're going to blend that up well, and then we're gonna add the tablespoon of honey. You're gonna mix this very, very well, and then you're going to, again, wash your skin, wash your face, just like we did before. Wait the 5 minutes for the 5-minute rule, and then you're gonna apply this mixture to your skin, and you can leave it on overnight. At least a minimum of 15 minutes. If you're not gonna leave it on overnight, okay, leave it on for at least, I'd say, an hour so that it really has a chance to do the work that lactic acid does. Then you're gonna simply rinse this mask off with warm water. Then you're gonna rinse again with cooler water to help constrict and tighten those pores. And voila, you're gonna have beautiful glowing skin from this mask as well. Now, I put a couple of videos up over here to help you with more skin problems. And if you liked this video, please by all means hit the like button, share it out on social media, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you over on these two.